bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So hey Blues, welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we are going to watch The Pen Shop, Step into Summer with Your Squad Just Like Benny. So alam ko matagal na to na-release pero ngayon ko lang siya mapapanood. Kaya naman, samahan niyo ako panoorin to. Ang tagal na nito pero ngayon niya lang napanood. Kawawa naman. Mapapanood pa lang. So, simulan na natin to. Let's go! Totoo na to? Okay, let's go, Pen Shop!
Dati pangarap ko na makapag-perform sa international stage.
Nagawa na
Imagine
nila.
with all the lights, the sound of the crowds cheering.
Right?
And then, girls, tara dali, look!
I like their fits. Pen Shop pa ba? Summer na summer. I like it.
Girls, I think this is the sign that no matter what, this will be a good summer.
Right? Ang ganda! Ang ganda ng place. Taray naman ng boss natin dyan, no? Siya yung magdadrive. Not Joanna, not Mika. And Kulaya, what are you doing there? Oh, Kulaya ka ba? Ang princess, of course. Hey, let's go. Fashionista natin. Hey, the fashionista. Wait, who's driving? It's really Colette. Hey, free spirit.
Girl,
Low bat.
ito na yung sign to enjoy the moment.
Correct, Gwen. Oh, vintage soul. Ay, yan yung gusto ko. Sporty.
Look, guys, oh!
Ay,
It's a sign!
ay, it's a sign. Wow, the sunset.
Girls, it's giving big summer festival!
We got the world and we can go anywhere. So where do we go?
We used to dream of this before. We've come so far already.
Yay.
This is going to be a real good summer. So ano, ready na kayo for our next stop? Tara!
So where do we go from
Ay! Dito pala yung Mikaya. Naita ko na to eh. Siyempre, pag may mga ganitong ganap, kalat agad sa kahit anong social media platform. So, dito pa ngayon, Pen Shop. Mikaya ka ba? Magka-holding hands ba sila doon? O baka hindi magkadikit? Bala kayo. They're so cute. Ay! 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 Ang lakas ni Pen Shop. Ang lakas ni Pen Shop.
Where do we go from here?
Nice one. I love that, Pen Shop. Thank you for that. And isabay na rin natin yung merong mas matagal eh. Asan na yun? Oh, this one. This one. 24 hours in Zambales. Oh, so 24 hours lang nila. I mean, 24 hours lang sila nagstay there. Para sa Pen Shop campaign shooting. Tama ba? Yeah, Pen Shop campaign shoot. So, panoorin din natin to. Let's go. Behind the scene. So, 24 hours lang, no? Sa sobrang tight ng schedule nila. Thank you, Miss Kat, for this.
Hi guys, this is my first out of town work for the year and this is my fit.
From Pen Shop.
I'm wearing Pentrop. My sunglasses is Miu Miu, Lululemon, and my Pumas. Basically, I have a shoot tomorrow with Beanie
Hey.
in Zambales and it's like a 5-hour road trip, so we decided to leave today. So this is the comfiest for a 5-car ride. Bago siya nga.
On our way to Zambales. Let's go!
Okay.
Dream job ko yan.
Diba on chips?
Gusto ko yung pa-shooting na lang. Ay! Daming Coca-Cola. Ganda ng view. Ganda ng place. Wow, sobrang daming
With a bit of
Damit.
injury, how's your pinky? DIY butterfly. Thanks, Dr. Ginny. And no, magkaiba yung ano.
Grabe.
The doctors, ano was
The
different.
OTD nila. The next day. Ang ganda ng place. Saan yan? Hey. On the way to shoot location. Ay, hindi pa pala dun.
It's so hot and
there.
this is what's saving us. Essentials. Find them on Instagram
I think
or
I need that also. Cooling Sun Mist. Sa pen shop din yan.
Cooling Sun Mist by Cozy.
By Cozy. Gusto ko rin nun. Ay, andyan na yung Beanie Girls natin. Init na init. Pero game na game sa shooting nila. Of course, the glam team. Eh, sila rin yung nag-aayos, no? Yeah, nice. Gusto ko rin yung ganyang job. Paano ba? Paano yan? Gusto ko yan. Ah! Yun yung mga picture nila, oh. Na laging may space pag may kaya. OA. Eh. Ay, ow! That photo. You okay? Make a rim. Dami taga-energy ni Saku. Ganda ni Jo. Hanggang sunset. Wow! Oh, I like their pictures. Kulang na isa. Kulang na isa. Sheena. Where's Sheena? Right. Oh, there you go. May OT8. Ah! Nice. I love that. Oh, more memories. Oh, ang ganda. Ay! Grabing titigan yun. I need syrup. Ah! Yung pan shop. Na sobrang unti lang nila. 3 ang wala. Pero they survive their songs. Sayang. Wala ko dyan. O, diba? Talagang kahit 5 lang sila, nakanta nila, buong kanta nila. Ano daw? Hey. Nice one. Well, I love that kind of job. Paano yan, Miss Kat? Pa-recruit naman, oh. Kahit taga-assist lang, taga-ayos lang, ganun. Gusto ko rin yan. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this. All about Pen Shop. And may naamoy akong mabangong-pabango sa Pen Shop. I can wait to buy that. So, right. Nag-endorse ng Pen Shop, pero yun lang. Gusto ko rin yung mga design and clothing nila. Lalo na yung pants. So, ganda rin naman yung quality ng Pen Shop. Kaya, hindi lang basta Vinny ang nag-endorse, of course. We're buying also because of the quality. So, yun lang. Baka kung ano naman sabihin natin dito at maubusan ako. So, thank you for watching this and see you on my next reaction video. Bye!
I ain't skipping meals.